Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journeys to Wisdom and Wealth. Today, we are going to be closing out our paycheck number 1 because our paycheck number 2 of October is coming. I'm switching it up because my girl Tasha over at Tasha's Mind Your Money says it's a golden month, and I love that. I do, instead of a magic month, because we're not really here about the magic, because God is in control. So a lovely golden month for me. And thank you, Tasha. I've stolen your phrase. I hope it's okay. I'm just borrowing it. And so we're having a golden month. However, I've decided to defer my golden month until November. Although the last check for me comes around the 30th or the 31st, I'm going to go ahead and push that into November budgeting just so I can get myself settled in my October budget with the new money that has come in. So we're what? Living our life like it's golden. Living our life like it's golden. And I can't sing, but I'm going to sing anyway. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. You're a part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing. Zip, zilch, zero, nada, nothing. And if it's free, it's for me. It should be for you too. So let's get right into our video. Let me pop my little self down here. We are on our October 1st paycheck, and last thing we did was move over $5 to Navy Federal because I see that's the last thing that we had in green. If you are new here, anything in green means that it actually cleared the bank and we're good to go. The goal here today and our closeout is to make sure that everything that has a numerical value in the October 1st paycheck is turned into green. I love my spreadsheet. I created it for myself. It is on sale in my Ko-Fi shop. If you're interested, if you're watching, you're like, oh, this is a cool idea. I like it because it makes it simple for me. Whereas you also see a monthly budget, which comes with your spreadsheet. You also get to break down your budgets over time. So I can see like this first paycheck's from 10/3 to 10/16. This next one 10/17 to 10/30. So you can figure out where your money goes in each time period. And for me, it's easy. I'm hiding a couple of sales here. That's because it's November, December, and I don't want anyone to get confused. Anyone meaning me. Okay, so let's move to our next thing, which is $30. So $30 to Capital One would have been my sticker subscription. Let me move my face up here, girl, because we need to see. Excuse me, y'all. Sticker subscription. Where are you? Sticker subscription is $30. It got paid on my credit card, and then I paid it through my operating account. So that can be marked as green. 99 cents is for my Apple storage. That also can be marked as green. $233.50 is my split payment for my car loan. And that's right there. It's a total of $567. I pay $233.50 each time. And then I actually have a credit on there, which I am loving. Cannot complain too much. And now we have $19 withdrawal. Okay, that $19 withdrawal was actually for household. With my household, I had $111 in there, but I went to Sam's Club and did a lot of re-up, and I still need to get paper towels, but I did a lot of re-up on like detergent, things that I needed in the house, water and all of that. And that was $128 some change. So I was the difference. So let's just call it 130, and we had like 111, call it. So I needed $19. So I transferred over $19 from, where did I transfer it from? My big face is in the way. Household. Yeah. So I transferred to household because I knew that I had a buffer in here. I transferred it into household to cover those charges. So that $19 is going to go as an additional to household. So we're going to make a formula by adding an equal sign, then plus $19. And I will always insert a note because I need to know for when I look back. But $60 was our regular to household, and then $19 came from the buffer to cover Sam's Club. And since I paid the Sam's Club bill straight out of household, I just moved it from here into there. And now we have $344.89. That would be 2 bills that were paid on the credit card. And that's going to be our car insurance and our electric, I do believe. I don't know why I'm over there. I was trying to pull up the calculator. Okay, $178.89 plus $171. That's $349. move over a little bit. Oh, wait a minute. Is that what paid? 171 plus 173.89. Oh, 344.89. 344.89. So that covers these two bills. So we'll mark them off in green. And then $10, $10 was for that extra giving money that I was not able to get at the ATM that time we were talking about. So here it is right here, and I will mark that in green. And now all these monies have been allocated properly. We have $100 for, wait, we paid it to Capital One. What is, oh, okay, extra credit, the extra AC bill for the guy who came back and put in all the stuff that he charged me separate from the loan amount. So I paid him an extra 50 this month because he's normally $50 a month. He actually did not even send me my bill, you guys. I had to ask him for my bill. I was like, sir, are you going to send me a bill? He's like, oh my God, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Girl, why are we asking? Why are we asking? Huh? All right, let's keep moving. So we have 5303, and that's the water bill right here. And that's 5303. And then, oh, wait, before we get there, let's talk about, well, no, let's just finish over here. So look, we got $35. We got $35. We got $35. We got $35. Let me tell you what it's from. And so, can you tell me what show that's supposed to like make the sound like? $35 came in a little while ago, and I'm just getting to depositing. Remember when we got our fridge? I had Georgia Power come and pick up my fridge, and when you come and pick up the old fridge, they possibly send you a check for the one they picked up. And they did. They sent me a $35 check for picking up my fridge, and I guess using the old fridge. And so I finally deposited it, which was over 90 days. So I was really shocked they let me have it. But that's going to go into more money, more money, more money. So we're going to add $35 into extra/side income. And we're going to do Georgia Power Fridge rebate for $35. Amazing. And so we're actually going to go ahead and go over to our extra funds thing so I don't forget. Oh, no, October's down here. And it's also going to go into other plus 35. And we're going to, of course, make ourselves a note. 35. Georgia Fridge rebate. Perfect. We're stacking up a little something in our, look, we're already at 88. 88. Did I put it in the wrong thing? Oh, I already put it in. Why did I already put it in? Y'all already put it in there. So bye. Uh-oh. 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 Undo. Uh-oh. Y'all moving too fast. Moving too fast. First off, just take the 35 out of here, girl. Take the note, just the one note right here, out of here, and good. Okay, are we good? Okay, 53.61. Still excited about it. We've already got $53 extra in here for the month. Excited. Now, as far as that $35 rebate goes, you know where I think I'm going to put it? I'm just going to move it into uh the new appliances. I don't know if it has a category. Oh, it does. $35 here. Did I put the $35 here? Yeah, put the $35 in, and I'm going to take the $35 out, and I'm going to have to leave another note. Jesus. So that's amazing. We already started saving extra for our fridge without even trying, for our stove, because the next purchase would like to be the stove. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer out $35 into our new appliance fund. Not new HVAC, new appliance fund, and add a $35. Review from Tara's Major Keys to a new appliance. Boom, transfer. Success. The money's gone down. Okay. And so I'm going to take this money out of here just so we can get a more rounded number. And I don't think there was any other thing in here that we talked about. So let's see if we marked everything off. No. So $25 is for the cell phone, and that comes out, as you guys see, on the 16th. It is the 15th today when I'm recording this video. And sometimes it's going to hit the credit card, and then I'm going to wait till it clears the credit card, and then I'll pay it. So what I'm going to do instead is transfer over this $25 into Hold Your Horses, which is where a lot of my extra money sits when I don't need it right now. Like right now, half of the mortgage is sitting in there, but I'll pull it out when the next half comes in. So I'm going to move $25, and then what I'll do is I'll pay the $25 that hits the credit card for the security for the cell phone bill right out of Hold Your Horses. And review. So Tara's Major Keys to Hold Your Horses, $25. So that will be successfully moving that out, and y'all know I will pay it. So no big deal. We can mark that green because it moved out of the account. And then what else do we have? We have $35. So the gym has $35, y'all, and I am not going. So $35, I'm taking that back out. I wonder if, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and transfer that back out into the gym fund. Maybe I'll go, I don't know. With all the thing going on with the gallbladder, y'all, I have no idea. So, gym vibe. Why are you not? Okay, let's just look for it. With all the things going on with the gallbladder, I just haven't been back because I thought I would have surgery and then I couldn't go. And when I'm paying for the gym, I want to make sure I'm going all the days that I'm paying for the gym. So I don't know when I'm going back to Zumba, but seeing that I'm not really eating as much anymore, it kind of balances out. Tara's Major Keys to Gym Vibes 35, although I do miss my class. Success. So that's down to 0, and we're down to 18, 36. Did that not come off? Oh, no, I did that. Okay, so I need to put it back in there. I need to put it back on my thing because I actually did allocate this $35. I just happened to move it into the gym fund. So insert a note, didn't go this month, but that's not how you spell month, Tara. But put the money back in gym vibes. And once we have the go back to the gym, I'll just pull the money out of there and save ourselves some money. Sorry, y'all, shaking the table. Okay. So now now we're done. So we have everything covered, and I believe everything that has a dollar value in it outside of 0 is now green. Let's just make sure. And it is. And it says we have a balance of 1836, which prayerfully, thank you, Lord, matches 1836 here. So we have a zero-based budget technically because we can leave it in buffer rollover, but I'm not. So what I'm going to do is, because I know I'm going to have a check coming literally probably Thursday, and it's Wednesday, tomorrow, I'm just going to take the $18.36 and we're going to move it to, ooh, wait a minute. I'll make sure that undo that in case there was a formula in there. Hold on. Okay, sorry, y'all. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that 1836 and we're going to move that to Killer Bill, which would be over here again. Because it doesn't have its own thing. I'm wondering about changing the name of that only because YouTube gets real weird about words like kill and things like that. So I might have to rename that, although I love it and I know the context in which we're using it. But we may need to rename that because I don't want them coming for me, because they came for me on some song I had on one of my very old videos and I got like a warning, and I don't need no strikes on my channel. Okay, I worked very hard for this. 1836, just a squirrel moment. 1836, and so another 1836 is going to our debt payoff fund. I'm gonna find a much better name for it, but for now, that's what I'm going to say. And so I'm going to go ahead and transfer this 1836, y'all, over to our you know what fund. 1836. And this is just, I'm not even putting a note, it's just review. So Tara's Major Keys over to our debt payoff fund and transfer, and we should be at a really success, a zero-based budget. 0 here and 0 here. We are at a zero-based budget and our account is down to 0. And what we're doing right now with the debt payoff money is we're just kind of accumulating until the end of the month. And then at the end of the month, hopefully be able to put whatever is left to the security equipment bill. The last time I think I looked at the security equipment bill, it might have put some notes in here. Was it over here? Oh yeah. The last time I looked at the security equipment bill, it was $43. That's my normal payment, but it had a balance of $691.18. And so that means when I make the $691.18, once I make the $43.20 for this October bill, we'll be down to $647, and then whatever is in our debt payoff killer bill fund, I will put that to it as well, and we'll slowly chip away at this because I would really like to get it paid off before, I think it's another year or two to pay this. Well, let me see real quick. If we're at 691.18 and we divide that by 43.20, it would say we have like 15 months. So another 15, 16 months, another year. If we can get that done within a year and a couple months, before the year and a couple months, that would be amazing. But that's it, y'all. Don't want to hold you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how your first paycheck closed out. Did everything go as planned? I have a lot of medical bills flowing in right now that we haven't talked about because I'm dodging them like the plague. But I know that's not the way to handle debt. So I will be taking a look at them once they all come in. Usually send them in the mail, but I'll check and see if I can log in online. This is neither here or there to this budget. So thanks for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. I love you. Mean it. Bye.